The internet vision is that you can talk to the internet to create new functionality in the form of apps and services that appear on a URL. Nearly everyone in their personal lives at some point or another is going to be creating sovereign apps on platforms like the internet computer. And then they're going to do it just by talking to AI. Self-writing is a different paradigm to vibe coding. The AI is helping write some of your boilerplate code, helping you fix typos and a few bugs. But really, vibe coding is a paradigm for software engineers. Self-writing is a different paradigm where anybody can create without having any technical skills at all. Quite literally, talk to the AI and your functionality appears on the internet, which is obviously completely revolutionary. Internet Computer 2.0 incorporates functionality that makes self-writing possible. We have a new programming language designed for use by AI that enables it to create far more sophisticated apps and services without assistance than would otherwise be possible. You will often be upgrading your apps and services every few minutes, even on a cycle in the tens of seconds. You'll literally be saying, hey, I want this feature, and you'll see it appear on the URL. I should also add that you can speak in your natural native language, which is very, very important. So behind the scenes, of course, not only is a whole load of code being written, your app, if you like, is being migrated for you. AI is very powerful, but just like humans, it can make mistakes. So to enable this hands-free rapid cycle, you need frameworks in place that guarantee data can't be lost. People are going to be creating things like, hyperlocal social networks for their families. Enterprise IT is going to be turned on its head by this, because you'll be able to create things like CRM systems that for less than 1% of the cost and less than 1% of the time. It's important to remember that the developing world doesn't have the tech functionality that they need. The challenge is, even if they can afford to pay for these SaaS services that might give it to you pre-canned, even if they can find the developers to build things for them, they don't even have the security personnel to keep it safe. So the self-writing internet will provide them with a shortcut out of that situation. Of course, because it's running on the internet computer, it's tamper-proof. So that means what they create is immune to cyber attacks. It's unstoppable. Of course, it's sovereign because it's under a public decentralized network and they control it. This can be applied just about anything you can imagine will be possible with the self-writing internet, and it's going to be absolutely huge. I'd go as far to say that in 10 years, we won't think about tech stacks the same way. The tech stack will be a self-writing platform. We very much believe that the perfect platform for self-writing is the internet, and that we think in the end the self-writing internet will win.
Perfect. Sounds good to me.
Okay.
Thank you, Dom.
Thanks.
Always a pleasure.